Hey everyone, it's Jerry here from Jerry's Tech Corner, and in today's video, I will show you how to join and install Windows 11 Insider program. Yes, guys, it's Windows 11. It's 2021. Windows just launched the new Windows 11 after Windows 10. So I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 Insider program on your Windows 10 computer for free, and this is an official one from Windows. So, so, all right, just give me a moment. So first of all, you need to go to your Windows 10 computer and just hit under settings and go under update and security as you can see here. And so the Windows update, let's just check. So as you can see here, they have said that I got a Windows 11 Insider Preview. Alright, this is an Insider Preview. This is not really Windows 11. So you can update as you wish to, but Windows like telling me like restart required. This update is ready to reinstall. We need your help deciding when to restart so we can finish up. So if you're wondering how you get this error or if you do not see this, you need to go under this tab here, Windows Insider Program, over here, this Santa Claus icon. Windows Insider program. I've actually joined already. I don't want to leave yet, but you just basically need to create a Microsoft account and you just need to tap a button to join the program, and they will ask you what mode you want. So I've chose the developer channel. The developer channel will get early access, as you can see. Be the first to access the latest Windows 11 builds earliest, but might be some rough edges and low stability. So it's up to your own thinking. And another one is the beta channel. Beta channel will be later, and the release preview channel, which will be later than this. So basically, developer channel is the earliest. Beta channel is the second earliest, and the last one is the release preview channel. So I've picked the developer channel because I want to see how Windows 11 looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna try to update this and I will then share with you how it goes. And I've actually joined the Insider program like about a week ago. So if you are joining it today, try not to expect the update to be coming today. Maybe you can get it like 2 days later or a few days later. I'm not sure. It's depending on Microsoft and Windows on when they want to send you the update. All right. Alright guys, so as you can see now, Windows 11 has been installed on my computer, and just to say again, this is not a fake one, this is not a rigged one, this is the official Windows 11 preview installed on my computer now. As you can see, this is the new background wallpaper, and now this is the new right click. I don't know what's that called, but it's just something new. And then there are some new wallpapers here. This is the default one that it came with it. As you can see now, the Windows icon is here, and now the apps are like more punctured here already. And now the icons have also changed. They have changed into like more rounded shape, and the new search bar as well. The new, this is like basically show how many windows you've got on your computer. These are the widgets. So widgets, they will just show you the weather, the stock. Just give you a moment, but that's just the widget. And there's also a new Microsoft Store with the new Android apps that they say which will be supporting from the Amazon App Store. Let me see. As you can see here, it's Microsoft Store preview. But I don't think currently now say try that again, something is wrong because they actually haven't set it up yet because it's just the preview. So if you're interested in installing Windows 11, I definitely should recommend you getting this one. Or you don't want the preview, then you can just wait until the end of the year. Maybe the end of the year, Microsoft will announce the official Windows 11 release date. Now this is just the preview, which is the developer preview. As you can see, also I noticed the this PC logo have been changed. And yeah, so basically this is the new Windows 11, and I hope you guys love the video. Do drop a comment below, like the video, and share this so more people will know how to install Windows 11 on your existing Windows 10 PC. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.